Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your Snapchat score quickly. If you're wondering how to do it fast and efficiently, this method is perfect for you. Don't worry, this isn't one of those scams that promises results through Snapchat Plus or anything shady. This is a legit way to increase your Snapchat score using just the Snapchat app itself. So let's get started. Open up your Snapchat app, and when you're on the main screen, go to your chats. This method is super simple, and as you can see, my score is pretty low right now. But I'll show you how you can boost it fast. The method I'm using involves the multi-snap feature. First, if you're using your main account, you might want to log out for a moment. Click on the Sign Up button at the bottom, and you'll be asked to enter a random username and last name. Don't stress, it's not important what you put here. Just make sure it's something easy to remember if you ever need to reference it later. Next, create a password for your temporary account. It doesn't need to be anything specific because you won't be using this account again. Afterwards, select Sign Up with email because you're limited with phone numbers and it's easier to create multiple accounts this way. Now open a web browser, I'm using Chrome, and search for an email generator. One that works well is TempMail, which will give you a temporary email address. Copy this email and head back to Snapchat, where you'll paste it into the sign up field and hit continue. Once you're through, it'll prompt you to find friends. You can skip this step and also skip creating a Bitmoji, since it's not necessary for this method. Now tap on the Add Friends option at the top right and search for your main Snapchat account. Once you find your main account, go ahead and add it as a friend. After that, you can return to your main account and log back in. You can repeat this process multiple times, creating several accounts to speed things up. The more accounts you add, the quicker your Snapchat score will go up. Once you've added several fake accounts, create a shortcut for them. Go back to your chats, swipe open the chat menu, and click the plus icon to add new shortcuts. You'll add all the fake accounts you created to this shortcut list. Next, go to your camera screen and look for the multi-snap option. This allows you to send multiple snaps at once, which is exactly what you need. Take several photos, you can go up to 10, and select the shortcut you created earlier. Send the snaps to all the accounts in that shortcut. Each time you send snaps, you'll gain points. For example, sending 10 snaps to 6 different accounts can give you 60 Snapchat points. The more accounts you have, the faster your score increases. You can repeat this process multiple times for even faster results. Let's check how much my score has gone up. As you can see, it has increased significantly. This is how you can quickly boost your Snapchat score. I hope you found this method helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.